What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set up a new face ID recognition in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on biometrics and then click on face recognition. Now here enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and after that tap on continue. Now scan your face in this circle. Now after scanning the face 100%, the face data will be added. So you can see the face is now registered. So that's how you can set up a new face ID recognition in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.